Hello and happy new year. Welcome to this special new year video. Today I'll be sharing some of my favorite WordPress tools and plugins that allow you to create stunning designs only by using free resources. We will quickly explore each tool and its features, giving you a sneak peek at how you can maximize your productivity. If you want an in-depth guide, just visit my channel, search for the topic, and you will find a detailed tutorial waiting for you. And stick around until the end because I have an exciting giveaway to kick off this year. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing is my favorite free theme for WordPress is Blocksy. I'm using this theme personally and I have a couple of videos about this theme, and I have used this theme in lots of websites for the clients. This theme has lots of features and customization available, including header, footer, sidebar, colors, typography, and so on, even Forst and Woocommerce products. You can customize the theme the way you want, and secondly, this is completely compatible with Elementor, which is the best page builder for WordPress. I have a couple of videos about Elementor as well, and some other add-ons that we will be covering in this video are Royal Elementor add-ons, Elements Kit, Defector, and a few other. By the way, all the links are given in the video description. Just follow that and download the plugin that you need. Now the first topic that we will cover in this video is header and footer using free Elementor, for which I'll suggest using Royal Elementor add-ons. This is a very powerful plugin and I have a couple of videos about this plugin already. You can download it from the link in the description, and once you install it, then go to Royal Elementor add-ons and theme builder. You can see this plugin has a theme builder using which you can create header, footer, archive, single, product archive, product single page, and you can have save templates. This is just like Elementor Form theme builder that you are getting in this plugin for free. And to show you quickly, just go to header or footer and then create template and give it a title. Create template. You can add a condition to enable it on entire website and then save condition. This will open up Elementor where you can design a header. Just click on this logo to get a complete ready-made template. Then go to blocks. Okay, under sections, you will see a couple of headers and footers. You can use the one that you need. And that's it. Now you can add your location, email, phone, social links, button, you can change the menu, logo, and so on. So this is very simple. Just use this plugin to create header and footer. And the next topic is mega menu, which is related to the header as well. And for the mega menu, you can use the same plugin, which is Royal Elementor add-ons. Let's search for mega menu and let's open this demo. We'll scroll down and you can see a mega menu here. So you can create such mega menus using this plugin. And this is a vertical one. So if you want to create such menus using free Elementor, you can use this plugin. And to learn more, again go to my channel, search for mega menu, and you will get a detailed video. Okay, so you can use Royal Elementor add-on to create header and footer and a mega menu. And next up, if you want to create slider or carousel in free Elementor, there are two plugins that I would suggest. The first plugin is Defector, by using which you can create sliders, pop-ups, hero sections, navigation bar, carousels, and so on. I have covered this in my previous videos. You can download it from the link in the description, and you can create stunning sliders, pop-ups, hero sections, and so on. And besides Elementor, this plugin will work with any theme and page builder. Okay, and if you are looking for a Elementor specific one, you can use HD Slider, which again is a free plugin that you can use for creating different sliders. And again, to learn more, just go to my channel, search for slider, and you will get a couple of videos. And this is about HD Slider, and we also have one about Defector. Okay, so for the slider, you can either use Defector or you can use HD Slider. And next up, if you want to style any form using free Elementor, you can use a plugin called Elements Kit. I have videos about this plugin already. And by using this free plugin, you can design different types of form using free Elementor, like Caldera form, Contact Form 7, Ninja forms, WP forms, V forms, and so on. Let's explore an example like WP forms. Let's scroll down. You can design such forms using free Elementor. Okay. And let me quickly show you live. So I'll go to my dashboard. I already have installed that plugin. Okay, I'll just activate it. And I don't have a form plugin. So let's add a new one. I just installed this plugin just to show you. Okay, let's add a new form quickly. I'll just save it. Okay, now let's see how we can design this using free Elementor. Let's refresh it. Let's search for form, and this is from regular WordPress. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see Contact Form 7, Vforms and WP Forms. We have installed this plugin, so let's use it. We will select a form, and now we can design this form using this Elementor by going to Style, where we can change the label, text color, typography, input and text area. Okay, you can notice the changes. So in this way you can design a form using free Elementor by using Elementor plugin. Okay. And the next topic is about blog post. If you want to create a blog post grid, slider, carousel using free Elementor, you can use the next plugin, which is Ultimate Post Kit. I have a video about this plugin already, and by using this plugin, you can create different type of grid, carousels, sliders, lists of your blog posts. Okay, let me quickly show you a few examples like alter grid, a mox grid. You can even create post categories, post title, and so on. This is one example. So by using free Elementor, you can get this look for your blog posts, or this one, and this is a slider, and this will pick title, featured image and description from the posts. Okay, this is another one, which is a carousel. Then we have this slider, and we have post categories in this shape. And again, to learn more about this plugin, just go to my channel, then search for post grid or slider. Just watch this video and you will learn more about this plugin. And last but not the least, we have Ultimate Store Kit. And as the name suggests, you can use this plugin to display your products grid, product slider, carousels using free Elementor. And they have different types of demos, just like the Ultimate Post Kit. And if you scroll down, you can see creative store designs, easy shop builder, single product page, checkout page, account page. So if you want to create all these pages, if you want to have product grid and sliders add to cart in your website using free Elementor, you can use Ultimate Store Kit. And this is from the same company who are offering Elements Pack, Ultimate Post Kit, Prime Slider, Pixel Gallery, Testimonial, Like Copy Paste, and all these plugins. I have some videos about these plugins already on my channel. Okay, and let's explore some layouts. I just open up randomly. Okay, these are reviews, and this is a product grid with view details, price, title, category, and the image. This is another example with these buttons. And this is the detail page. This is comparison table. And by the way, I'll be recording a video about this plugin soon, so stay tuned for that. And lastly, as I mentioned, there will be a giveaway in this video as well, which will be on WP Met plugins. I have these plugins, the Pro versions, Content Kit, Email Kit, Elements Kit, Shop Engine, the best Woocommerce solution for Elementor, and the Ultimate Review, Met Forms, WP Social Login, WP Fundraising, and I have all these plugins and their Pro licenses. I have showed you in my previous videos as well. And that you are getting for this price. Let's click on it. So they have 80% off. Scroll down, and this is the regular price. But if you need it but as I mentioned, I have all these plugins already. If you need them in a more discounted price, you can just contact me and I will provide you any of these plugins or all of them. I can install them on your domain or on your client domain, and they can use it for lifetime. Okay, I have the subscription already. Let me show you. If I go to my account and if I go to product licenses, you can see I have these plugins for lifetime. So this was the giveaway. If you need them in a very affordable price, just contact me. And again, all the links will be in the description, and for more just visit my channel and you will see lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. And I hope you will like this video, and still if there were any questions you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.